if you want to keep track of your particular designs in Polotno Studio, then what you can do is you can go around and click on My Design. And what happens is that it'll suggest you to go to Polotno Studio in pewter.com, which is in the beta version at the current stage and is more enhanced version of Polotno Studio right here with features such as login and managing of your designs. So now you get a new Polotno Studio, as you can see right here. You are from pewter.com, where you get the same option basically, but you got a different layout, as you can see. And over here, you can go to My Designs and you can access out your designs right here. So what you can do over here is you can go around and click on create a new design. Let's say, for example, and based on photo right here, just like this. So this is what you have. You can go around and rename out the file right here to, let's say, for example, picture, just like this. And this is what you have. Click on My Design and this is what you have, as you can see right here. Click on New Design again and you can go around and select out, let's say, for example, this right here. And then you can go around and rename this out to, let's say, for example, tutor over here, just like this. And then go to My Design right here and you can see your designs right here. Similarly, you can go around and select out My Designs right here and access out different projects on the fly and then work around with them as you like, just like this, and add in elements to this right here and so forth, and then work around with this right here, just like this. So this is what you have right here. This is what you have right here. Go to My Design and it is saved out, as you can see, and you can access out the other design right there. So that is how you can access out My Designs in Polotno Studio by accessing the Polotno Studio version from pewter.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe